So one AI study trick that you might not be familiar with is the extensions in Chrome. And these 5 tools that I show you today have turned me into an absolute study machine. I would take any one of these tools over the blessings of caffeine. That's how far I'm willing to go. Now, with that being said, why are we going to use these tools? Well, a Harvard study found that 88% of students are using AI tools to somehow help their studies. Now, truthfully, who's not using ChatGPT? Everyone knows about that. But what I want to do is take you from being either in that 12% who don't or in that 80% who do to being some of the best users of AI, knowing how to efficiently and effectively use it to reach your goals. So today, we're going to take a look at 5 great tools that can really streamline your study processes. All right, so the first tool is Walter Wright's AI. This is a Chrome extension that will help you take ChatGPT generated text, scan it for AI, and humanize it if you need to. So what we're going to do here, I have a little paper on Jordan's economy that should be, it's some of both. It's got some AI to it, and it definitely has some human touch. So what we're going to do here, scan text right here. It's saying this is fully AI written. We can just do that one more time. Scanning doc, this text is AI written. So it gives us sort of that black and white answer to should I be concerned here? And it looks like it is highlighting certain parts that are more AI than others. What we can do here, let's take this first paragraph, we'll click humanize, and it pulls up the sidebar here. So clearly right now it is working. And then what it does is take this paragraph that we had earlier and turn it into a completely changed paragraph that will bypass AI detection while still sounding human. So we could just copy and paste this straight back into our paper, and we are suddenly getting by these AI detectors. The second tool I'm sure you've heard of, and it is called Grammarly. Obviously, you're going to say, like, yeah, I mean, Grammarly's been around since I was a kid. Like, this is really easy. But Grammarly has been expanding its features, and there are a lot of helpful things. So first off, I want to draw your attention right down here. This shows some of the AI checking tool here, and we can track for proof of authorship if needed. But then obviously, as you know, we have these minor corrections here that always come in from Grammarly. If you have common like grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes, it'll call that out. And that's obviously on the free plan. And then gives some stuff like this. This is on the free plan, actually. We can sort of take some of this, and then it will suggest other things if you have to be on the pro plan to take some of them. But it will give you tone and clarity and sort of that kind of thing, which is super helpful because that can take your paper from good to great. And that is obviously quite valuable. Next, I have a sidebar extension for ChatGPT. I chose to use Side AI. There's a ton of these like available. So what we can do here, let's go over to this journal here and just say like, summarize the abstract, right? Summarize this. Then we put in our abstract and we get a little paragraph here that just quickly explains what's going on. And that is that. I mean, really, I didn't even have to scroll down to see this entire thing. And now we suddenly have a paragraph. Cut it down to 5 bullet points. I mean, look, it's just ChatGPT. I'm sure you've used ChatGPT before. But here we can just kind of do what we want while maintaining this like in the sidebar. And look, we can take a screenshot of something. So like, let's just screenshot this ad here. I guess I gotta grant all my access here. And then it pulls that screenshot in. I can send it in. I don't even know what I expect this to say. Okay. But yeah, so super helpful way to integrate ChatGPT with, your browser without having to switch tabs all the time, easy screenshots, things like that. Now, our fourth tool is called Otter.ai, and what this is going to do is record and transcribe audio. So it says meetings here. Obviously, it can do more than that. You can upload things to Otter.ai and that sort of thing, but if you have it as a Chrome extension, it's all easily accessible. So I'm not going to show you exactly because I don't really have anything to transcribe here, but you can take podcasts, YouTube videos, lectures, all that sort of thing. And if you're not doing this, like honestly, you're missing out because a lot of these features are super helpful as a student to go back and research, go back through your files and that sort of thing to help better understand the material. And, you know, when you get transcriptions, you can put it into the ChatGPT. You know, obviously all these tools can kind of work hand in hand, and that is super helpful. Last but not least, I have a tool called Scholarcy. So what we're going to do is go back to the same, you know, random cardiovascular disease article I found. We're going to go up here and go to Scholarcy. And I already have this one loaded up, but it will take a little bit to load. But what this does is summarize these journals into something that is much more understandable. So, I mean, first off, what an interesting idea, this like tweet thing. Gives a quick summary. We got the authors, the results, the conclusion. You know, we can then go down and see, you know, sort of by this, and it'll take us to different links and that sort of thing to help us better understand what's going on. Let me pull that extension back up. And we can obviously save this. We can go look at related work. I mean, this is really good stuff, and it's so much easier than trying to sort through like this entire, I mean, what a mess if you want to try to get this yourself. And this is a specific AI tool built to handle this sort of thing. All right, so let's just give a quick recap. First off, we have Walter Wright's AI. This is a great tool to help humanize your AI text and also scan it to see if it is AI. We have the ChatGPT sidebar, which is super helpful, just really for so many different things, just giving quick access to ChatGPT. Grammarly, obviously turning papers from good to great, making those minor changes that are going to lose you like a couple points here and there. Obviously, we don't want to have those mistakes. So having Grammarly to clean that up for us is huge. We have Otter.ai, which can help transcribe meetings and, you know, record your lectures and be able to take notes on your notes of your notes, you know, the whole thing. It makes it much, much easier. And lastly, we have Scholarcy, which takes those journal articles and makes them something you can actually digest. Obviously, looking at journals is something that sounds super scary, but when it's simplified into a format that you can easily understand and take something away from, that makes it much, much better. So with these 5 tools, I am helping you turn into a study machine. But if you want more advice, I'm giving it all the time on this channel. So please subscribe, follow, like, comment, share, the whole thing. And I will see you in the next video.